Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs2 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required and you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, if you'll decide to actually download the updates, I highly recommend switching into the Wi-Fi so you can avoid some unnecessary charges. So right now we can simply open App Gallery where we can find all of the updates. So let's tap on it. And usually you will start with this section, this page. So all we have to do is to tap on Me, which is right here in the right lower corner, and as you can see at the top we've got app updates. So let's tap on it. And in my case all apps are up to date. However, if you will have some updates pending, they will appear right here in this list, and you will be able to simply tap on update next to the specific app to download the latest version. As you can see here, I've got also a hint how to do it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.